To all my dear learners, today I am going to tell you about the very important concept, and this concept is called coordinative ability. So with this, let's begin our physical education session. So I am very happy to share this session with you, as this is very important topic as regarding our board purpose. Okay, so I hope you all are safe and fine at your places, and definitely I think your learning process is really going on fine. Okay, so today we are going to learn about coordinative ability. So बच्चों, I hope you know that what is coordinative ability. See, if I told you, I'm just giving you one example. Okay, if I'm giving you one example, like you will have to do ball juggling in football, or if I told you to do right with both of your hands, or if I told you to rub the board with both of your hands, it required coordinative ability. What does it require? It require coordinative ability, right? So what is coordinative ability exactly about? It is that ability which is relatively established or generalized pattern to control and regulation of the process. So this ability enables a sports person to do a group of movement with a better quality and effect. तो बेटा होता क्या है, हम जो बात कर रहे हैं, what we are talking about coordinative ability, right? So what is coordinative exactly? The coordinative ability is that ability which is it's that ability which helps to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. So coordinative ability is the ability to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. In this diagram, I hope you can see, and I hope you must have understood what is going on. See, while running with a fast pace, these students, these players, these athletes, they're able to cross this hurdle very smoothly. They can jump while running with a great speed. So what is this? This is coordinative ability, bachcho. So coordinative ability are those abilities of an individual which enables the individual to do various related activities properly as well as effectively. These are the required for the qualitative movement. So whenever we require a speed, whenever we require a quality work, we must have what? Coordinative ability. So coordinative ability is the ability to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. So understand here that the coordinative ability is the ability to do work with perfection and efficiency. Got it? Next thing is coordinative ability. So we have different definitions, and I hope you'll got it the concept with the definitions that I'm gonna provide you now. So if we talk about coordinative ability, so it's the ability to repeatedly execute a sequence of movement smoothly and accurately. Or we can take one more example. It's the ability of a human body to change direct with the quick as possible and with effective movement. It is the proper combination of strength, speed, endurance, balance and flexibility during movements. So if you have a coordinative ability, if you really want to build your coordinative ability, you must have. So to perform the movement with perfection and efficiency is called coordinative ability. So student, as you can see in this diagram, you will have to understand that for coordinative ability, we must have good strength, we must have good speed, endurance, flexibility. So it is a proper combination of all the physical fitness component. क्या होते हैं हमारे physical fitness component? Our physical fitness components are strength, the ability to overcome resistance; speed, the ability to perform movement with perfection, it means to perform with a high speed; endurance, it means the ability to overcome fatigue; balance, it means a stable position; flexibility, the ability of our joints to move in maximum range. So coordinative ability is the students accuracy of action. It's a rhythm, it's a change in movement, balance, accuracy while performing any action or performing any movement, and the balance and the graceful action. और ये सब चीज़ें किस पे डिपेंड होंगी स्टूडेंट्स? आपके न्यूरोमस्कुलर सिस्टम पे. It is all depends on your muscular system, that is your neuromuscular system, and upon the CNS. Now the meaning, what is CNS? Central nervous system. What is CNS? Central nervous system, right? I hope you got it. So in this correct movement, such as, as you can see, these boys are playing football, they're drilling. So we need strength, we need maximum strength, endurance. In this game, speed is also required. While playing football, coordinative abilities are required. Different flexibility, explosive strength, so many things are required, right? So it is required for almost all the games. So here we get to know that football or any game, so coordinative, hockey if we can take an example, so coordinative ability is required for almost all kind of games, right? Let's move on and understand the meaning of coordinative ability in a proper manner. So according to Brenwick, coordination is the ability to repeatedly execute a sequence of movement smoothly and accurately, right? So now what does this definition mean? The definition means that to perform a sequence of movement accurately, with perfection, with coordination. According to Zimmerman et al., what does it mean, or what does he want to share with you? Coordinative abilities are understood as a relatively stabilized and generalized pattern of motor control, regulation process. These enable the sportsperson to do a group of movement with better quality and effect. So students, here we get to know what is coordinative ability. Coordinative ability means the proper functioning of motor development. अब motor development क्या होता है? The smooth and coordinated development of bones and muscle is called coordinated motor development. Motor development is of two types. Gross motor development, it means development of big muscles and bones. Fine motor development, it means development of small muscles and bones. Now this is the very, very important concept that we should know. There are 8 things, okay? So you need to learn 5. And now I'm going to tell you which 5 you will have to learn, okay? Okay, right? So let's see and let's do this. Okay, so let's understand. I'm gonna mark my point. Let me take a color. So you need to learn this, right? You should know this ability, adaptive ability. Okay, you must know combinatory ability. So till this, okay, you will have to learn till this. I'm gonna tell you this, not the differentiation ability, but yes, I think you should mug up this. Okay, this 7 kind of things you should mug up. Very important. It is very important to go for this. Adaptive ability, balance ability, combinatory ability, kinesthetic ability, rhythm ability, orientation ability, coupling ability, and differentiation ability. So let's learn one by one in detail. अब adaptive ability क्या होती है? It is the ability to adjust or to change the movement effectively on the basis of change in anticipated change, right? So the change in the situation can be expected or unexpected. So adaptation करना किसी particular activity में, right? Next is balance ability. Balance ability, it means a stable position. So it is the ability to maintain a balance during complete body movement and to gain balance quickly after a complete disturbing movement. Okay, so it is the ability to require in most of the games, like in football, like in any of the game, you must have what? You must have balance ability, right? So balance ability is very important part. Next is the next type of coordinative ability is combinatory ability. What is this combinatory ability? So combinatory ability means it is the ability to put partial movements. Okay, it's the ability to put partial movements in a complex way. Okay, it is the ability to put partial movements in a which way? To put partial movements in a coordinated way, right? So combinatory ability means to put the partial movements in such a complex manner. Okay, that is combinatory, with combination of different skills. Next is kinesthetic ability. What is kinesthetic ability? It is the ability to realize the kinesthetic, matlab dynamic feature. So when we get to know the dynamic feature of a movement, it is kinesthetic ability, right? Next is rhythm ability. It is the ability to observe or perceive the rhythm of a movement. To do movement like kho, it is very important in kho to have a rhythm ability, otherwise you will not prosper in this game. Orientation ability, so while playing squash, orientation ability is really required. So orientation ability, it is the ability to determine the position of the body, at which angle you will have to throw the thing. It is in a particular time pace and the relation to gravity. It means you must have a good knowledge of kinematics, or you must have a knowledge of kinesiology. Coupling ability. So when we are talking about the coupling ability, it's the ability to combine the movement of different body parts. Like when we are doing wrestling, we are doing boxing, so we must have the coupling ability. Okay, so coupling ability, it means the ability to combine a movement of different body parts to perform a perfect sports movement. So basically, which is required in sports, boxing, wrestling, etc. So differentiation ability, if you're going to talk about, so it's the ability to achieve the high degree of accuracy and economic separation of body movements. So high degree of perfection, what we called it, the next thing. Right, so I hope you understand today's topic, which is based on the coordinative ability. So it's the ability to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. So students, it's a humble request to please go through this thing, the types of coordinative ability, which is play a very important role in your life. This is the 5 marks question of your board exam. So with this, take care, bye bye. Lots of love and lots of blessings to you. We'll meet soon with the new lecture, with the new hope, with the new session. Bye bye. Take care. Hope you all are safe and fine. Just take care. Bye bye.